Have you ever cleaned your wheels, freshly washed your car, and by the time you get to the end of the driveway to pull out and show it off to everybody, a plume of orange rust dust envelops the wheel and the barrel of the wheels and beyond? I have something that may help. This has been out for quite some time. I've done a video on it a long time ago, probably leaning towards the inception of this channel. I'm going to reintroduce it one more time because it will help. I've had a question on the subject. This is Hyde's Serum. This is a Rustopper. It's a rust inhibitor. You spray this on the wheel while it's still wet, before it dries, right after you're done cleaning the wheel, the caliper, and the system that surrounds, and it will stop that rust in its heels. This is ready to use. It can be picked up. I picked mine up at Detailed Image. You can get it at Obsessed Garage, probably even on Amazon. I'm not sure. It's worth a try. Let me show you exactly how this works, or what to do to get this to stop that nasty rust. Hyde Serum, 16 ounces, is ready to use. It's an anti-rust solution for all types of wheels. Prevents rust from the brake rotors after washing or after the system gets wet. Acid-free, pH neutral. It will not attack wheel coatings and protectants, very important. Lug nuts or brake systems. The formula is safe for all types of wheels, steel and alloy, including chrome and polished wheels. So I'll give you a quick demonstration. Let me take you over. I did not use it the last time I cleaned the wheels on the Lambo, and you can see exactly what I'm talking about here. You hit the hooks, you hit the brakes at the end of the driveway, and all this goes poof onto the barrel of your wheel and beyond. Let's show you how to avoid that. So on this one here, no rust on the rotors. We just backed it in. We're going to wash the wheel. We're going to clean the wheel as normal. Use the Hyde Serum, and we'll show you how it works. By the way, guys, the wheel cleaner that you choose can also tend to exacerbate the problem, especially if you pick one with high iron removing capabilities. This here is Adam's wheel and tire cleaner. It's the one I'm going to be using today. I'm going to spray it all in there. I'm going to spray it right onto the rotor and the wheel, and I'm just going to clean as normal. So of course we get the barrel of the wheel, all that dripping down onto the rotor. Clean the caliper as normal, and the face of the wheel. And luckily, this wasn't an intricate wheel design. If you have some of those, like the BBS, the old mesh BBS wheels, well, you'd be sitting here for at least 16 loggers trying to get this thing done. And your fingers would look or feel like they went through a meat grinder with some of these wheels. That's an easy one. So let's rinse. So right here, this is where you want to use the Hyde Serum. Let me get you off the stand, bring you in closer. And you don't have to use a ton of this. You can get this 16 ounces at a time or a gallon at a time, and it should last you for a long period of time. Just mist it on to the rotor and the braking system. And then dry the wheel normally with forced air. And I'll bring you in close. So you can see that we don't have, well, you won't have this, or quite as much. It's not perfect, guys. It won't eliminate it completely, but it will cut down on it enough that when you pull at the end of the driveway, you're not going to have a pile of rust dust in the barrel of your wheel. Not 100% successful rate, but it really does help improve the problem. All right, guys, again, this has been out for quite some time, but it's been a while since I've done a video on it, and we have had quite a few new members to our family, the Apex family, and the channel, so I thought it was time to reintroduce it once again. Those that have been using it, share down in the comment section how it's working for you at the moment. Again, it's not perfect, but it will help. And that's the idea of this channel, to bring you to light some of these products and tools that may help you throughout the day. Always a pleasure to spend some time with you throughout the evening, good friends. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. If you have any questions or comments, down in the comment section. And I always need to repeat this for the YouTube algorithm. If the video helps, thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when we have new content available for you, and I try to upload regularly. Brian from Apex Detail, catch you in the next video.